This puzzle looks simple, but most people miss the pattern. Here is the challenge. What number replaces the question mark? Take a look at this grid. Try to find the pattern. Pause and try it yourself. Let's break it down. Look at the first row, 3 and 5. The result is 34. How do we get 34 from 3 and 5? 3 squared is 9, 5 squared is 25. Add them together, 9 plus 25 equals 34. Now test it on the second row, 4 and 6. 4 squared is 16, 6 squared is 36. Add them, 16 plus 36 equals 52. That matches. So the pattern works. Now apply it to the third row, 5 and 7. 5 squared is 25. 7 squared is 49. Add them, 25 plus 49 equals 74. So the answer is 74. Comment below, did you get it right or did you find a different pattern? Let me know. If you enjoyed this puzzle, subscribe for more challenges. See you in the next one.